Tammy Suzanne Green Baldwin is an American politician serving as the junior United States Senator from Wisconsin since January 2013. A member of the Democratic Party, she served 3 terms in the Wisconsin State Assembly, representing the 78th District, and from 1999 to 2013 represented Wisconsin's 2nd Congressional District in the United States House of Representatives. In the 2012 United States Senate election in Wisconsin, Baldwin was elected to the United States Senate, defeating Republican nominee Tommy Thompson. In the 2018 United States Senate election in Wisconsin, Baldwin was re-elected, defeating Republican nominee Lee Vuckmer. As an openly lesbian woman, Baldwin has made history several times through her electoral success. In 1998, she became the first openly gay woman and first openly LGBT woman elected to the United States Congress, as well as the first woman elected to the United States Congress from Wisconsin. In 2012, she became the first openly gay person and first openly LGBT person elected to the United States Senate, as well as the first woman elected to the United States Senate from Wisconsin. Baldwin was born and grew up in Madison, Wisconsin. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.